Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise chapter 10, fractions. What are fractions? When a thing is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. For example, this circle. This circle is divided into two equal parts, right? One part is colored. So here the fraction is 1 upon 2. Why? Because in this circle, one part is shaded from two parts, right? There are two parts, this part and this part. This part is colored and this part is blank. So there are total two parts of this complete circle. But only one part is shaded. So we will write this fraction as 1 upon 2, or you can say 1 by 2. This line shows division because we divide the numbers in fractions. There are two parts in fraction, the top part and the bottom part. The top part is called as numerator and the bottom part is called as denominator. Here in top part there is a number 1 and in the bottom part, that is denominator, the number is 2. Why we have written 2 here? Because the circle has two parts, one part and the second part. So there are two parts in total. We will write these two parts in the denominator. And how many parts are shaded? Only one. So we will write 1 in the numerator. जितने भी parts shaded होंगे, that we will write in the numerator, and total parts we will write in the denominator. Now, what is half, 1/3 and 1/4? So for half, we will write 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2 fraction, because half means two parts in which one part is shaded. For 1/3, there are three parts in total and one part is shaded. So we will write this fraction as 1 upon 3. For 1/4, so there are four parts in total and one part is shaded. So we will write it as 1 upon 4. It is 1/4 and we can call it as quarter. This is 1 quarter. So in a circle there are 4 quarters. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the parts are of same size, in which one part is shaded. So we will write the fraction as 1 upon 4 and this part is called as 1 quarter. Now, how to find fractions in collections? Now see, fractions in collection means we will find a number from a fraction. For example, 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3 of 12. We have to find that what is 1 by 3 of 12. That means 12 is the whole and 12 का हमें क्या पार्ट फाइंड करना है? 1/3 पार्ट, और 1 upon 3 फ्रैक्शन हमें उसका फाइंड करना है. So how do we find it? We have to do simplest method, that is we have to divide this 12 by this 3. That means we will divide this whole number by the denominator, because 3 is in the denominator. So we will divide this 12 by 3, and in the table of 3, 12 come 4 times, right? So the answer is 4. Then what is 1 by 6 of 18? So for 1 by 6 of 18, we will divide this 18 by this denominator 6. So 18 divided by 6, that means in the table of 6, 18 comes 3 times. So the answer is 3. Now what is 1 upon 9 of 81? So we will divide this 81 by this 9, and the answer is 9, because in the table of 9, 81 comes 9 times. Like this type you have to find fractions in collections. Next, we are going to compare fractions. Now see, there are two kites in which first kite is shaded. In first kite, it is shaded 2 parts out of 4, and in the second kite, 3 parts are shaded out of 4. So in the denominator there is 4 and there is also 4. But in the numerator, here it is 2 and here it is 3. So when the number is same in the denominator, we will compare only the numerators. Now which one is greater? 3 is greater and 2 is less than 3. That's why 3 upon 4 is the greater fraction and 2 upon 4 is less than 3 upon 4. So here 3 upon 4 fraction is greater. Now see, if the numerators are same, that means in the numerator the numbers are same, but in the denominators the numbers are different. Now how to find which fraction is greater or which fraction is less than from which fraction? So we will make strips. How? According to denominators. So here in this fraction 4 upon 6, the denominator is 6. So we will make 6 columns in one strip, and here in this second fraction this is 4 upon 8 and here the denominator is 8. So we will make 8 columns in the second strip. Now see, here in the numerator it is 4 and here also 4. So we will color 4 parts of each strip. In this first one, only 2 parts are left and in the second one, 4 parts are left. Now, in which one the parts are less empty? Here, in the first fraction. So, 4 upon 6 fraction will be greater. You have to see only that in which strip less parts are empty. So, here in the first fraction less parts are empty. That's why this 4 upon 6 fraction will be greater from this 4 upon 8 because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे parts जो है empty है and यहाँ पे only 2 parts empty थे. That's why this 4 upon 6 will be greater. Now what if the fractions are different? No numerators are same, no denominators are same. So in this one what we have to do? Again we will make a strip, 2 strips for 2 fractions. We'll make 4 columns for the first fraction and 6 columns for the second fraction. For first fraction we will color 3 parts and for second fraction we will color 5 parts. Now which part is less empty? Here. This part is less empty and this one is for 5 by 6 fraction, right? That's why this 5 upon 6 fraction is greater and this 3 upon 4 fraction is less than 5 upon 6. So जहाँ पर भी space आपको कम दिखाई देगा empty वाला, that fraction will be greater. Like this you will find out which fraction is greater. So according to that, if we compare these fractions, just like 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So in this one 2 upon 4 will be greater one because in the numerator there is 2 and there is 1. Similarly for these two, here in this one in which numerators are equal but the denominators are different, here we will check कि यहाँ पे places कम किसकी है. So in this one 2 places are there and here 3 places are there. So first fraction will be greater one. So 1 upon 3 will be greater. Similarly in these two. Now if the denominators and numerators both are unequal, so in this one again we will check the spaces. So जिसमें space कम होगा, that fraction will be greater one. So here this fraction is greater, that is 2 upon 3. For this one here the spaces are equal, so these fractions are equal. For this one this space is less than this one because ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है and ये less है. Here 3 upon 4 will be the greater one. Now if we have to color the fractions, so the fractions are given and we have to color according to the numerators only because in the denominator there will be parts of the figure. So for example 4 upon 6. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there, and we have to color 4 parts only. Similarly, in this question, what fraction is shaded? This we have to find out. So the color parts will be written in the numerator. For example, in this circle 2 parts are colored, so we will write 2 in the numerator, that is in the upper part, and 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are total, so 3 we will write in the denominator, that means bottom part. For example, in this one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are total. So 5 we will write in the denominator, and 1, 2, 3 parts are colored, so 3 we will write in the numerator. Now, if the questions are given like this, in which we have to find the fractions in collections, so again you will divide the numbers and find the answer. Here, in this fill-up, the questions are related in which we have to find the numerator and denominator. So in this 3 upon 4 fraction, 3 is the numerator, the upper part, and 4 is the denominator, that is bottom part. In this one, the fraction whose numerator is 4 and denominator is 7. So we have to write the fraction. So in the numerator it is 4. So 4 we will write in the numerator part, that is upper part, and denominator is 7, that we will write in the bottom part, that is denominator. Thank you.